Good evening, everybody. Today I would like to start showing you one of three tools that will be used in a high school setting at Transit Tech High School for my students who may have certain IEPs that may prevent them for certain activities. So before we get started, to get to accessibility, you want to go to the Apple icon. You want to click on System Preferences, and this is located on the upper left-hand corner of my device. So I'm going to click on the accessibility icon, double click it, and it's going to show you all the accessibility tools that's provided with Apple Accessibility. For today, the first icon that we're going to be looking at is Siri. Siri is a voice assistant tool that is used just to make things easier for anybody who may have a vision disability because they can't really type anything, so they may need a voice assistant to assist them to do some functions on the computer. Um, that would probably be the main disability that we'll be catering to. So let's get started. We're going to first click on the enable type of Siri. So when you enable this, Siri will be able to function. We're going to open Siri preferences. Now with this function, you could do many different things with Siri. You're able to change the language of Siri. I'm going to keep it as English for now, but if you have different languages, you may be able to do this. So if there's a language barrier within the class, you're able to change the language between you and your learner. You also are able to change the type of accent your voice assistant have. For today, we're going to try British, because that's kind of our, it's kind of funny, so I like the British accent, so I'm going to go with that. And we're going to see how the British accents sound with Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
So in this case, you can see that I have the female voice assistant that has the British accent, and then we have the male voice assistant that has the British accent. So you can ask Siri to help them with certain functions of your daily task. Siri, locate Finder. Let's try something else. Enable Siri. Unable to get something done. Hey Siri. Siri. Hey Siri. So
I'm listening.
I was able to finally get Siri to work for me within the progress. I'm happy about that. I'm going to just widen my screen. And I was able to communicate with Siri using the voice assistant. Feel free to play around with some of the functions. You can give Siri different accents. You can also ask Siri to assist you with certain things like, hey Siri. Of course, Siri's listening. So you could try to see what else Siri can help you with when communicating with it. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and have a great evening.